Today, we're diving into the world of communication solutions, comparing two giants in the field, Aircall and RingCentral. Aircall is tailored for sales and support teams, addressing specific business challenges, while RingCentral is a versatile option designed for broad use. We'll break down our discussion into 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a look at these services' main features. Aircall features include intuitive interface. Aircall offers a user-friendly design, ensuring teams can seamlessly navigate and utilize its features. Robust analytics. Providing in-depth insights, Aircall empowers businesses with data-driven decision-making. Seamless integrations. Aircall seamlessly integrates with various tools, streamlining workflows. Team collaboration. Aircall facilitates effective team collaboration with features like call assignment and shared contacts. RingCentral features include extensive integrations. RingCentral boasts a higher number of integrations when compared to Aircall, offering a comprehensive suite of tools. Unified communications. RingCentral excels in unified communications, providing a tech-forward experience. Advanced AI. Offers AI-driven features such as call transcriptions, enhancing communication efficiency. Global scalability. RingCentral is built for broad use, ensuring scalability for businesses of all sizes.
Comparing pricing structures, RingCentral's base plan comes at $32.99, offering a more cost-effective solution than Aircall's $40 basic plan. However, it's essential to consider the specific needs of your businesses when evaluating the overall value. In terms of user experience, Aircall focuses on simplicity, making it ideal for teams wanting an easy-to-use platform. On the other hand, RingCentral's advanced features contribute to a tech-forward but potentially more complex user experience. Aircall and RingCentral both have distinct advantages and disadvantages. Aircall, with a focus on simplicity, offers an intuitive design and robust analytics, making it ideal for teams seeking ease of use. However, its pricing, particularly for advanced plans, may be relatively higher. On the other hand, RingCentral excels in extensive integrations, unified communication, and advanced AI. Yet, potential complexities in user experience and fewer integrations compared to Aircall may pose challenges for new users.
Apart from Aircall and RingCentral, alternatives include options like Dialpad and other communication solutions tailored to specific business needs.
In the showdown between Aircall and RingCentral, the choice depends on your priorities. If you value simplicity, Aircall may be your go-to. For those requiring advanced features and global scalability, RingCentral is a compelling option. Don't forget to check the links in the description to explore these tools farther. Subscribe for more easy internet tips, and thanks for tuning in.